Hey cool cats, welcome back to Mental Health Music Lessons with Imanni Mellis. Let's get started. Sometimes writing music in silence is even more fun than playing music where you hear it because now the music is completely inside of your mind. One of the big things that we have to do whenever we're writing out music on a piece of paper or on a little mini whiteboard like this is we have to realize that every single note has a different duration. So let's talk about note duration today. Let's talk about how you would read these notes over here. So let's say you had an open note like this, and then you had two shaded notes following that, and they all had lines going down. Just as a little review, do you guys know what notes these are? This note right over here is C. Do you know relatively what note this would be if it's one line after a space? This would be D, and this one would be the one afterwards, which would be E. Whenever you have an open circle note with a line down, we call this a half note. Shaded circles with lines we call quarter notes. Whenever you see a time signature, which is two numbers that come right before notes that look a whole lot like a fraction. Whenever you have a time signature of 4/4, it means that we have 4 beats in one measure, and that the 4 gets the beat. The 4 in this situation actually means the quarter note. So in what we call 4/4 time, this note gets 2 beats, and these notes get 1 beat. We can count out musical beats by tapping ourselves, by snapping our fingers, by clapping. I don't have my other hand available. And we can also simply just count it in our mind as 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Whenever you're reading 4/4 time, we're counting 4 beats. So we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, and then repeat it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rhythmically, you would count this as 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1. When you're counting 4, let's say we had 1, 2, 3, 4, and I would just say ba every single time that we have a note, it would sound like this. Ba, 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 ba. In the next lesson, we'll attach pitch to the rhythms. Understanding how to write rhythms are so essential, especially when you don't have your instrument with you, but you still want to write something to kind of stimulate your mind. This is a great way to be able to write something that you have a specific interpretation of, more than just writing down pitches of a scale. Okay, y'all, I hope you have a mentally healthy rest of your day. This has been Imanni from Imanni Music. Bye.